We are real gangsters, don't the boy dead. Bad man, them fear to God dead. And I know them one, who them one, informer. Jamaica, these gangsters around them off the corner. So me just hear from a wretched name party. Down this bad man from out to break. Cause the guns them big and them willing to spray. Man I real my car, it's time to make mistake. Pull it to the foot side, if and face. Leave rolling up my face like that right of face. Mommy and daddy can I make out a trace. They tell me to show you what you a send check. But why telegram them think them in a check. Man I real gangster, don't the boy dead. This bad man they break no God next. And now you next. You know this stuff when you're in my zone. Cause me gun them bigger than all them. Why informer? I know for them run in Jamaica. These gangsters them on them on the corner. So me just hear from a virgin name Tony. Down this bad man from out to break. Cause the guns them big and them willing to spray. Man I real McCoy. Man I real McCoy.
They got two fingers slap me in the beat on the streets. Get on the street for the white flag. Just nigga get your ass beat. Every time I do clown bitches running them out. Talking shit, this and that. Two place niggas, fast 7 bitches. I ain't fucking with yours. Stick it talking to your other faces. Slick these, click, click, two stick. Ready for war, man. It's no mercy. I stay on call like Kobe. Bitch, you don't know me. Rip it all out, feed it to the hungry dog. See it coming like y'all.
All for one cause. All like the one on the man. Boy, I informer. I know for everyone lives Jamaica. Me just hear from a virgin name Tony. Down this bad man from out to break. Cause the guns them big and them will live to spray. We are real McCoy. We are real McCoy. They're trying to make mistakes. Pull it to the foot side if and face. Leave one in a boy face like that right of face. Mommy and daddy can have make out a trace. The time I just say boy yo what you want send check. But why telegram them think they will not check. We are real gangster. Guns to boy next. This bad man them pray to God next. I know you next. You know this cause when you're in a me zone. Cause me guns them bigger than an Al Capone. Every day them get up out war. When man there yeah they fuck out them fucking jar. Protect them to them and what. Why informer? I know for them run left Jamaica. These youngsters around them off the corner. So me just hear from a virgin name Tony.